Welcome to Gentium, where our mission is to inspire young men to become better gentlemen. My name is Rashidi, and I'm here to teach you guys how to tie a bow tie. It looks kind of complicated, at least that's what I've been told, but it's actually pretty simple. It's as simple as tying your shoelace. I'm gonna do one quick tie just to make sure I still got this, because sometimes I can be a little bit confused in terms of orienting everything. I think I got it still. I think I still got it. Yep, I think I still got it. Yep, and we are still good at tying ties. So I will now break down the process of what I did to get this a bit lopsided, but rather I got the tie to be good, right? So take the portion on the left hand side of you and cross it over the right hand side. What you're doing is just making a nice little X. Now we're gonna take this piece, push it up and through the little hole, this piece. This is in my right hand right now. This is probably showing on your left in the camera. I'll place it up here. I'll place it up here. Now I'm gonna fold this piece so it looks like this, and I'll take this portion and bring it back down. Now, the tie is almost done. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pinch these two pieces together, and if you guys can see, there's a hole here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip this piece, flip, so it's this way, and it'll make a turn so it looks like this. So up and through the hole, and now you undo the fold that you did a second ago where you had it folded in half. You use the loops to tighten. So this portion on the inside is what you use to tighten the front, and this portion on the inside is what you use to tighten it. So you do both at the same time, and that provides you with the same thing that you would get if you were tying your laces. And that's how you tie a bow tie. Now, Gentium, please be patient with yourselves. If you get it on the first try, that's wonderful. If you don't get it on the first try, do not beat yourself up about it. As a Gentium, it is our job to make sure that we practice. We practice, we practice, we practice until we get it. And once you get it to where you feel satisfied and you're happy with it, that's when you're done. So work hard on making those bows, all right? And lastly, because obviously we can't take this off and hand it to someone, so when you're ready to take the tie off, you're going to grab the flap toward the front, the flap towards the back, and pull it apart. And now your tie is undone. If you guys have any questions, any comments, any concerns, please feel free to let me know and comment it down below. I love to engage with you guys. As always, stay classy.